everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Jura Impressa F7 here. It came in with an error 8 code, which indicates that the brew unit is just not functioning properly. It's not able to move as it should. So what we did is we actually removed the whole brew unit, deep cleaned all of the moving parts, and then lubricated them. We also replaced the gasket here that sits on the brew unit, and we cleaned the screen. And after cleaning out the inside of the machine as well, put the brew unit back in, and then we did descaling, cleaning the coffee system and milk system, and just wiping down the whole machine, making sure everything is working properly. So I'm just going to show you a quick demo. So let's look at the steam first. And then let's brew a shot. There we have one shot of espresso, and you can see there's no error 8 code showing on the screen. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.